What is a home inspection and do you need one? Well, if you're a buyer, I highly recommend that you get a home that you're considering purchasing inspected. So in Texas, we have licensed home inspectors and they go into the property and they inspect it. They kind of give it an exam and they look at everything from the roof down to the foundation, the electrical, the plumbing, the appliances, and everything in between. And they are looking to give you information about the condition of that property. Now, it's not pass or fail. People are always saying, well, what if it fails the inspection? Well, there is no pass or fail. Home inspections are basically information for you as a buyer to know what the quality, condition, issues with the house are. Now, what do you do with that information? Well, you can negotiate with the seller to possibly get them to fix some of those things. Or you could ask for seller concessions where you can not bring as much money to the closing table. And that way you can take that extra, I don't know, say $3,000 and maybe replace that ugly carpet that's all stained yourself, pick out what you want, manage it, make sure it's done to your satisfaction after closing. Or you can just ask them to come off the price. So there's ways that we can negotiate when you get an inspection and you can determine what you want to do once you see that. But I think it's really important for buyers to get a home inspection so that you know what you're buying. It's not pass or fail. It's just information that will help you know if you want to continue with this purchase or ask for some repairs or maybe some money off.